most persuasive verbs. In the world of email marketing, there are a lot of reasons to believe that a single word can make all the difference. You see, certain words possess more power than others, and sometimes only one word stands between you and the sales you're about to make. As a marketer, you understand pretty well that your choice of words will either positively or negatively impact your readers' behavior towards buying. Now, for instance, people prefer to be personally addressed. If not, they find the use of the word you very endearing, or at least a lot more personal. They tend to respond more if they feel like you are talking to them in person or actively involving them in the conversation. No cost also enjoys success in terms of garnering positive responses from readers. Just like the words membership fee waived, it gives the impression that you are giving something of great value for free, and your clients love that. Instead of offering your readers to click or open, which by the way gets the worst response, you can use the word explore instead. This can excite them to follow the link to satisfy the curiosity you build. Persuasion draws power from mysteries. Another word that spurs readers to take action is instantly. This reportedly receives high click rate. Then there's the word new, which produces excitement among readers, another persuasive word to employ in your next email campaign. In a study conducted using both successful and unsuccessful emails, Leo Burnett discovered the reasons why a campaign may or may not sell. The research shows that the use of too many adjectives has a detrimental effect on the response readers, whereas the use of more verbs accounts for the success of the winning email. His conclusion affirms the efficacy of persuasive verbs in email marketing. Now here's what the findings of his analysis revealed. An objective ratio of 13 to 1% embraces more success, while a ratio of 24 to 1% fails miserably in sales. Therefore, cut the use of too many adjectives and start throwing in more verbs in your pitch. 2 things every marketer should do right now. To sum it up, persuasive verbs trigger your readers to respond to your email campaign. Now, here are 2 things you can do right now to boost your sales. 1. Show the potential customer that there is a need. 2. Show them why your product or service is the answer to those needs, or show how your product or service will make their lives better. And the verbs are what move you along. They make your pitch come alive and your sentences active. Now, with these in mind, you can now move along. Just make sure that you have the right verbs for a smooth ride towards your sales. Consider the following verbs as you engage with your clients next time. Powerful, persuasive verbs. 1. Inspire. Everyone needs a dose of inspiration. This verb communicates positivity. 2. Introduce. A good introduction leaves a powerful mark. 3. Announce. Readers like to listen to valuable announcement. 4. Double. This word that suggests getting twice as much has been doing pretty well in open rates. 5. Increase. It means having more, and people always want more. 6. Discover. This is a good verb to pique your readers' interest. 7. Invite. The word is inviting to the readers, and they seem to participate more when they see this word in your mail. 8. Revolutionize. This is the best way to bring something into the next level. 9. Startle. You'll get surprised how this word elicits a positive response. 10. Improve. It means something is now better than it was. 11. Tested. People trust something that has been tested. 12. Proven. Well, just like test, the verb gives readers the confidence that they can see it for themselves. 13. Certify. This means quality and standard. 14. Trust. This effective verb works on internal motivation to buy. 15. Complete. Nobody wants something lacking. 16. Reduce. Especially if you reduce the price. The readers would love to know more of it. 17. Develop. The verb suggests a positive change. 18. Accomplish. A sense of accomplishment boosts a person's self-esteem. 19. Imagine. This word enables readers to see what you want them to see. 20. Advice. People love good advice. Offer a good one and they will listen. 21. Allure. This verb suggests beauty and something interesting. 22. Achieve. Just like accomplishment, this word boosts morale and encourages them to buy your goods. 23. Choose. Giving your readers the option to choose makes them feel in control, and they like that. 24. Keep. They will love to keep a good product. Encourage them to. 25. Personalize. People love it when they see their personal touch. 26. Secure. Your readers have the need to feel safe. This word does that exactly. 27. Select. Your clients needs a sense of control, especially when they make a purchase. 28. Simplify. It's best to keep it simple. 29. Skyrocket. A powerful word that suggests success. 30. Soar. Another word that makes your readers feel accomplished. 31. Solved. The ability to find a solution is what your readers seek. 32. Surge. This suggests greater quantity. More is better. 33. Uncover. This will keep your readers guessing and encourage them to click through. 34. Unleash. Keep them wanting to find something of great value. 35. Build. This is a strong word that prompts your readers to participate. 36. Mobilize. A moving force headed for the right direction is exciting. 37. Motivate. A good motivation achieves much. 38. Gain. Your clients want to gain something from their purchase. 39. Connect. This relational verb encourages community and participation. 40. Capture. To take hold of something good is what your clients want. 41. Decide. People will appreciate it if you let them decide for themselves. You are free to influence their decision, of course. 42. Deliver. Readers prefer that you deliver more than you promise. 43. Explore. Encourage their curiosity with this persuasive verb. 44. Ensure. People want assurance. Make them feel safe. 45. Extended. Your readers love it when they still get another chance to grab a good offer. 46. Overcome. This means having the ability to solve a problem. Your readers need a good solution. 47. Ignite. Working on your readers' driving force to buy will help you sell. 48. Refresh. Readers want something refreshing. 49. Stimulate. Excite them to buy your product. 50. Drive. This is a strong word that wields power and a sense of control. 51. Succeed. Success is always an attractive idea. Make them feel they can and they will trust you. 52. Upgrade. Transform means moving from one level to another. This is what your readers want to experience. 53. Leverage. Using a product to a maximum advantage is your reader's aim. 54. Innovate. People are excited for something new. 55. Maximize. This taking advantage in full capacity. This gives your clients the assurance that they will get what they pay for.